So I'm making this video as the second part of the video which I just made on epic paradox of life. So if you've not watched the first part, go and first see the first part. So in the end of this, everything that I told you in the first part, there's something that I want to share, and it's a poetry. And this is something I heard from Vishyan Lakhani of Mind Valley. And the best part about poetry is कि हम पोइट्री को ना अपने तरह से इंटरप्रेट करते हैं. हम जैसा महसूस कर रहे होते हैं, हम उस पोइट्री को उस तरह से सोचते हैं. And I will tell you what I interpreted from them. And this is a poetry from Rumi. Rumi was a 13th century poet. And 13th century में उसने ये poem लिखी थी. And I want you to realize how true is this for you in your life. Are you ready? So it says that when I run after what I think I want, my days are a furnace of stress and anxiety. If I sit in my own place of patience, what I need flows to me and without pain. From this, I understand that what I want also wants me, is looking for me and attracting me. There is a great secret here for anyone who can grasp it. Let me read that again, and let me again read that for the third time in Hindi. So I want you to listen very carefully, maybe close your eyes and just think what these words mean for you right now. When I run after what I think I want, my days are a furnace of stress and anxiety. If I sit in my own place of patience, what I need flows to me and without pain. From this, I understand that what I want also wants me, is looking for me and attracting me. There is a great secret here for anyone who can grasp it. When I run after what I think I want, जब मैं उस चीज़ की पीछे भागता हूँ जो मुझे लगता है मुझे चाहिए, मेरे दिन स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी तनाव भरे होते हैं. और यही जब मैं अपनी जगह पे शांत होके बैठ जाता हूँ, तो जो मुझे चाहिए, जो मुझे सच में चाहिए, इट कम्स टू मी. और बिना किसी दर्द के, बिना किसी पेन के. इस चीज़ से मुझे ये समझ आता है कि जो चीज़ मैं चाहता हूँ वो चीज़ मुझे भी चाहती है, और वो चीज़ मुझे अट्रैक्ट कर रही है. एंड देयर इज़ अ ग्रेट सीक्रेट. यही एक सीक्रेट है, एक सच है जो भी इसको समझ सके उसके लिए. सो वॉट आई लर्न फ्रॉम दिस इज दैट वॉट यू सीक इज सीकिंग यू. वॉट यू it's a difference between what you need, what you really need versus what you think what you need. So अगर आप सुपरफिशियली किसी चीज को चाहोगे कि ऐसा हो जाए, वैसा हो जाए, सुपरफिशियली, एंड विच इज नॉट अ नीड ऑफ योर सोल, जो आपकी दिल से, आपकी सोल की, आपकी स्पिरिट की. Remember, I told you we are spiritual beings on a human journey. So if it is a true need of your soul, it will come to you. It is attracted to you. It also wants to be with you. What you are looking for is looking there for you also. जो आप ढूंढ रहे हो वही चीज आपको ढूंढ रही है, वही चीज आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रही है. What you seek is seeking you. Haven't you heard this before? I bet you have. बट जब आप उस चीज की तरफ जाते हो जो आपको नहीं चाहिए बट आपको लगता है कि मुझे चाहिए, जब आप उस सुपरफिशियल जिंदगी में जाते हो, then your days will be full of stress and anxiety. So just I want to conclude by saying that go back to yourself, go back to your deeper self and know what do you really need. What do you truly, what does your spirit want? एक शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग है जो बहुत फेमस हुआ, एंड ही सेज, किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे हासिल करने में जुट जाती है. यस, सो गो बैक, मेक योर प्लान. थैंक यू so much for watching this video.